Welcome to our video where we compare two exciting drones, the BEZGAR BD101 and the 2KHD FPV drone. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and overall performance to determine which drone stands out in the market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, we aim to provide you with all the information you need to make the best choice. When it comes to camera quality, the BEZGAR BD101 features a 1080p camera, which is suitable for casual photography and video. However, the 2KHD FPV drone takes it a step further with its higher resolution, providing clearer and more detailed images. This makes the 2KHD FPV drone a better choice for those who prioritize image quality in their aerial photography. In terms of flight time, the BEZGAR BD101 offers approximately 8 minutes per battery, which can be limiting for extended use. On the other hand, the 2KHD FPV drone boasts a flight time of around 15 minutes per battery, allowing for longer sessions in the air. This extended flight time can be crucial for capturing more footage and enjoying the flying experience. The BEZGAR BD101 is designed with basic features that cater to beginners, including one-key takeoff and landing and gesture selfies. In contrast, the 2KHD FPV drone offers advanced features such as waypoint flying and brushless motors, which enhance stability and control. These additional capabilities make the 2KHD FPV drone more suitable for users looking for a more sophisticated flying experience. In conclusion, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. The BEZGAR BD101 is an excellent entry-level drone for beginners, while the 2KHD FPV drone offers superior camera quality, longer flight time, and advanced features for more experienced users. Depending on your needs and budget, you can choose the one that best fits your flying style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and